Day 61. Yesterday, you finished the scheduling block. Today, you're starting something that sits at the center of every algorithm you'll ever write. You've built logic, you've scheduled events, but at some point, your algorithm has to actually do something in the market. It has to place a trade, and the most basic type of trade is a market order. So, what is a market order? A market order is an instruction to buy or sell an asset immediately. At whatever the current market price is, execution is guaranteed, but the exact price is not. Here's a simple analogy to explain it better. On the left, we have hailing a taxi. On the right, a market order. Imagine you step onto the street and hail the first taxi that passes. You don't negotiate the fare first. You don't wait for a cheaper option. You get in, you go, and you pay whatever's on the meter. The taxi here says, you get the ride immediately at the price the market sets right now. A market order works exactly the same way. Your algorithm sends the order and it fills right away, which in this case is, you don't control the exact price, you accept what the market is offering at that moment in exchange for guaranteed execution. With that, we wrap up the simple introduction of the concept of market order in QuantConnect. Here's a quick knowledge check. A market order guarantees that your trade will fill at a specific price you choose, true or false. And the correct answer is false. A market order guarantees execution, not price. Your order will fill, but at whatever price the market is currently offering. If you need to control the price, that's a different order type entirely.